Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start with the essentials. Set the watch face down on a soft cloth and make sure it's locked. Locate the tiny quick-release pin on the strap's underside. Using your fingernail or a small flat tool, push the pin toward the center of the strap to compress the spring. Once compressed, pull the strap end away from the lug. It should slide free. Repeat on the other side. Doing this now prevents spring pins from popping and keeps the watch body safe. You'll now fit the replacement strap. Confirm which half is the long and which is short so the buckle sits on the proper side when worn. Insert one spring pin tip into the lug hole, then compress the free end inward and guide it into the opposite lug slot. Once aligned, release the pin so it snaps into place. Make sure the strap sits flush against the watch body. If it resists, recompress and realign. Forcing it can damage the pin or lug. You're almost done. Put the watch on and fasten it to a normal fit, moving your wrist to test comfort and retention. Visually inspect each lug area. There should be no gap and the pin ends should be fully seated. If you feel play, remove and reseat the pin, compressing it fully before release. If a pin won't engage, use a small magnifier and a precision tool to guide it. If damage or persistent looseness remains, stop and consider replacement pins or professional help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.